Hello. So today we're going to talk about a feature that Gmail has added called Mail Merge, which allows you to send multiple emails to different people, all based on information you have in a spreadsheet. So the first thing you'll need is a spreadsheet set up with the information that you are looking for. So one thing to note is each column header must be unique and they must be filled in. So for instance, student first name, last name, email, total missing assignments, the missing assignment title, and the due date all have to be filled in, and each of those headers must be unique. Underneath that, you can fill in any information you need that you want to send to these students about their missing work. So the way you're going to access it in Gmail is you're going to click on Compose. From there, you're going to select your mail merge symbol, which is to the right of your CC and BCC in the to line. You're going to select the checkbox, and that will give you the option to add from a spreadsheet. You will select your spreadsheet from your Google Drive and insert it. It will ask you for email. It's asking which column has the emails you want to send it to. So we're going to select our student email for those email addresses. For the first name, we're going to select the tag here that says student first name because that's going to pull from that column in the spreadsheet. And then for last name, we're going to do student last name to pull from there. You can see down here a preview of a couple of the recipients and what it will look like when it sends that email. So this is the student name and the email it's sending it to. When you click finish, it's going to set that up. So we're going to then write our email like we normally would. I went ahead and had one copied so that you could see what it looks like. So up here is Dear. I'm going to put the @ symbol to add my mail merge tag, and I'm going to choose their first name so that it writes to that student's first name. Here I have a blank for how many missing assignments they have. So I'm going to take out that blank. I'm going to hit the @ symbol or shift and number 2, and I'm going to select the total number of missing assignments they have. Now, when I get to the actual name of the assignments, I want that to stand out a little more. So I'm going to go to the end of that line, and I'm going to click on our text color down here, and I'm going to change it to blue, and I'm going to make it bold. And when I hit a space and I hit my @ symbol for my missing assignment title, it's now going to make that bold and in blue. For my due date, I'm going to do the same thing, but what I'm going to do it in red with bold. Once I hit my space and I choose my @ symbol for my tag, it's going to now give me the option to select my column of due date. Okay, once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and click continue. If you want to see a preview of what it's going to look like, you can click send preview. Sometimes it takes a minute to get to your email, but you can also send all. So now I've sent my email. If I go look at my sent email for Casey, it's going to match the spreadsheet of one missing assignment for the MAP project due on December 10th. For Taylor, it's going to match theirs for one missing assignment for Chapter 3 quiz due on December 14th. And then for Jordan, it's got the list of those two assignments with the Unit 4 history essay and the Unit 5 study guide with those respective due dates based on the order of the assignment title. So this is a quick and easy way for you to be able to take a lot of information from a spreadsheet and be able to send an email with specific information that is only for that individual using these mail mergers and tags. As always, if you'd like more information on this or would like any assistance, please reach out to your DLC, like and subscribe for more tips.